subscribing word. Wait. You don't have to subscribe to this channel because of the name. But if you don't subscribe, I'll be really sad. But today, we'll be teaching you how to make a paper boat. First step is to fold the paper in half horizontally. But if you don't know how to fold the paper horizontally, look at our paper tent video. Next step is to fold the paper again. Then open it up. See the side which is not opening? Put that side like this. Like what we did for the paper plane video. Then you see these extra bits here? You fold it like this on top of that triangle you made. This bit will be a bit hard for you, so watch carefully. You open it like this, then push it down and make sure your thumb is inside. Then take your thumbs out and fold it like this and make it proper like this. Let me show you. And then you will see that these bits are opening, right? You fold it on top of this like this and then fold it in the other side like this. Then do the same thing you did for that other triangle. Do that same thing that you did. And then fold it on the sides. And then it's like you're hatching a boat. Then you open it like this. Then close it down. Here's your paper boat. But make sure to watch part 2. But in part 1, we'll be also teaching you this other activity you can do by using water and rocks. So here I got my bucket of water, my origami boat, and my pack of rocks. But if you don't have rocks or if you don't want to use rocks, you can use pegs or bark. It just has to be something a bit heavy. But we're just going to be seeing how many rocks, barks or pegs your boat can carry. So first step is to put your paper boat in the bucket of water. Then after that, put one rock at a time, okay? And see how many rocks it can carry. Yeah, my boat is starting to shake. I think it's falling down. Yeah, it's starting to get a bit loose. It's getting water inside. It's getting water inside. It's soaking and it goes down. Let's see how many rocks. This is my paper boat. Okay, it has some rocks in there. Okay, it still looks... Oh, it has a ripped AC. Okay, let me just throw this away. 1, 2, 3. was 18 blocks strong. See you guys in part 2. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye. Don't you see this mark? That's where you're going to fold it. Your next fold. Like this. After you finish cutting the piece of paper, you can take the other piece of paper, throw it in the bin, throw it in the air, rip it in the air.